Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make my tomato morsel sandwich recipe. It's more than just a tomato sandwich, and one thing that makes it so good is the ingredients. As you can see here, this tomato is actually more than 1 pound, and you're gonna see why that makes such a difference here in a little bit. What you can do with such a big tomato is cut a really big slice like this, and you cut it as thick as you want, so it can be really awesome that way. However, what I like to do just for the tenderness and the flavor is cut nice little squares out of it, and then you have big, thick, tender, juicy tomato slices that fit neatly on the bread that we're going to be using. And to me, it's just really good that way. It's even more tender than a whole slice, but that's my own personal thing. And then the next thing is toasted English muffins. This makes a big difference in the texture and flavor of the sandwich. It's so much better than just regular slices of white bread or whatnot, in my own opinion. And ever since I started eating them with toasted English muffins, I really don't want them any other way. So you're gonna see just how simple this is, but how good it is once you try it yourself. So it's pretty simple. You could either use mayo or the miraculous sandwich dressing, so as not to use a trademark name. I like to put it on kind of thick. Optionally, you could use some shredded cheese, or really slices of cheese if you want to, but I just think the flavor and texture is a lot better when you use shredded cheese. Then add tomato to your liking. Here I'm just using one of those rectangular slices each. A little salt. A little pepper. And that's really it. Now you can just top these up and enjoy the crunchy deliciousness of these tomato morsels. Hey, where are you going? Come back here.
All right, guys, thanks for watching.